Imagine building a premium animated drone company website like this, completely without writing a single line of code. In this video, I'll show you the entire workflow using Google Stitch, Google Flow, NextGEN, and Google's new Antigravity IDE. Let's start by designing the website. Open Google, search for Google Stitch, and open the official website. Once you're inside Stitch, select the Gemini 3 Flash model and make sure Web Design is selected. Before writing the prompt, you can scroll down and explore some of the existing templates to understand the style Stitch can generate. Now, provide the master layout prompt that defines the complete drone company website, from the navigation bar and hero section, to the technology cards, specifications, gallery, applications, contact section, and footer. Just press enter, and Stitch starts generating the complete UI. Within a couple of minutes, you'll have a beautiful premium website layout with a futuristic dark theme, glassmorphism effects, and a dedicated hero section ready for our drone animation. Once the design is ready, click the More menu, and simply download the generated website files. We'll use these later inside Antigravity. Next, we need a drone animation. Open Google, search for drone, browse through the images, and choose any drone that you like. Copy the image, because we'll use it as the reference for our animation. Now search for Google Flow, and open it. Create a new project, paste your copied drone image, choose the Nano Banana Pro model, and set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Now paste the first frame master prompt. This transforms the image into a premium cinematic 3D render while preserving the drone's original shape and design. After processing, Flow generates our first hero frame. Now drag the generated first frame back into the Flow chat. This time, paste the second frame prompt, which creates a cinematic exploded view version of the drone, with all of its components floating around it. Generate a couple of variations, and choose the version that looks the best. Now switch to video, select frames, keep the aspect ratio at 16:9, and choose the VO 3.1 fast model. Drag the assembled frame into the start slot, and the exploded frame into the end slot. Finally, paste the animation prompt that smoothly disassembles and reassembles the drone. Submit the prompt, and after a short wait, Flow generates a seamless cinematic animation. Scale the video, then download it. Now, we'll convert this into image frames for our scroll animation. Go back to Google, and search for Video to Frames Converter. Open the NextGEN website, and upload the downloaded animation. Set the frame rate to 30 FPS, keep the default output size, and click Convert to JPG. After the conversion finishes, all the animation frames are generated individually. Simply click Download Frames as zip to save them. Now let's build the actual website. Search for Google Antigravity and open the first official website. Antigravity is Google's new agentic development platform that can build complete applications just by understanding natural language. Open the Products section, choose Antigravity IDE, download it, complete the installation, and sign in with your Google account. That's all you need to get started. Open Antigravity, and create a new folder named NextGEN website. Extract both zip files, the Stitch website files and the animation frames, and place both folders inside this project directory. Now drag the entire frames folder into the Antigravity agent chat. Type the prompt. Create a smooth cinematic scrolling animation using these frames. The agent starts building the animation automatically. During execution, it'll ask for a few permissions. Just approve them so it can continue working. And hey, we use JSON prompts to build this entire website. If you want those prompts, simply comment prompt. Once it's finished, ask it. Provide a browser preview link. Antigravity instantly generates a local preview. Open the preview in your browser. The frame-based scroll animation is working perfectly. But right now, it's only the animation itself, which is not good. We still need to integrate it into the website layout generated by Stitch. Go back to Antigravity. Drag the Stitch website folder into the agent chat and paste this prompt. Create the complete website as per the Stitch theme layout. Use the scroll animation that was already built and integrate it properly into the site. The agent understands the existing project, merges everything together, and generates another preview link. Open the new preview. Now the animated drone is fully integrated into the hero section, and the overall website structure looks fantastic. However, you'll notice that several sections, like feature cards and application cards, are still missing supporting images, making the page feel a little empty. So, let's quickly go back to Antigravity and ask it to populate those sections with high-quality drone-related images. After it updates the project, refresh the preview. And now, the entire website looks polished, complete, and much more professional. And here's our finished animated drone company website, built entirely with AI, and no traditional coding. Everything you see here is the front-end version. But Antigravity is also capable of building the back-end, APIs, databases, authentication, and much more. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and hype the video, subscribe for more AI development content, and I'll see you in the next one.